Key SEO tips to boost SERP results. Increasing your SERP results is a great strategy to get more people to visit your website. This increase in traffic leads to increased visibility and higher ranking on SERPs. There are numerous techniques to improve your search engine rankings and increase the number of visits to your website. But the most of them demand a significant amount of effort and study. The following pointers will help you boost your SERP visibility. Exceptional content. For SEO, high-quality content has always been crucial. If you want to get found in Google's EDU SERPs, you should improve your content by giving original information with high-quality references. It is critical to provide relevant material if you want Google to give you a high ranking. When composing blog posts or articles, mix long-tail keywords and your principal keyword throughout the material. This will show Google that your post is relevant to the keyword you're attempting to rank for. Keywords like social media content calendar and phrases like how to make a social media calendar would be great for an article about creating a social media calendar, for example. Learn more at https://my-learning-center.teachable.com.